There's a story you've heard, a story whispered in shadows meant to shake the very foundation of your faith. They lied about Aisha, the beloved wife of the Prophet. But this isn't just history, it's a test to see if your faith is built on truth or on rumors. Will you let their lies break you, or will you discover the truth that sets you free? Maybe you've been there, scrolling through posts, hearing whispers, feeling your heart tighten. You ask yourself, could this really be true? Did the Prophet's household really face such scandal? And suddenly, the faith you held so dearly feels fragile. You wonder if your trust was misplaced. But faith is never meant to be easy. It's meant to challenge you, to purify you, to make you stronger. The story of Aisha that was twisted and turned is rooted in a test of character and faith. The incident known as Al-Ifk, the slander against Aisha, was a painful moment for the Prophet ﷺ and the entire Ummah. But Allah revealed the truth in the Quran itself. Indeed, those who came with falsehood are a group among you. Do not think it bad for you, rather it is good for you. Surah An-Nur 24 verse 11. This was a divine lesson for all believers, to hold on to truth and reject falsehood, no matter how convincing the lies. This slander wasn't just about Aisha, R.A. It was about the Ummah's resilience, about protecting the honor of the Prophet's family. It was a reminder that believers face trials, not just in their personal lives, but in their faith. When false stories attack, they threaten to divide, to confuse, to weaken. But the truth shines brightest in darkness. And just as Allah defended Aisha, He defends every one of us who seeks Him sincerely. So here's the call to you today. Do not let rumors shake your heart. Do not let whispers steal your trust. Instead, seek knowledge, question with intention, stand firm on the foundation built by the Prophet ﷺ and his righteous family. Your faith is a treasure. Protect it. And when doubts come, remind yourself, truth is not afraid of questions. Lies fear the light. This message is more than history. It's a shield for your heart. It's a call for every believer to unite against the slander that tries to weaken us. If this touched you, like this video to strengthen the Ummah's voice. Comment below, I stand with truth. Subscribe to grow your faith, knowledge, and community. Share this with someone who needs reassurance, because faith grows stronger when shared. Remember, they lied to shake your faith. But your faith, if rooted in truth and love, is unshakable. And this is the truth you are meant to hear today.